You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your blood sugar levels. Knowledge. Your health is here to revolutionize your detox game. And no, I don't mean starving yourself or weird cayenne pepper cleanses. I'm talking about flooding your body with pure, natural goodness. Especially for my diabetic peeps, green juice can be a total game changer. We're talking about stabilizing those blood sugar roller coasters and giving your body a break from processing heavy foods. This vibrant green juice is like hitting the reset button. It's packed with nutrients, low in sugar, and bursting with flavor. Get ready to feel energized and amazing. Think of this green juice as a delicious way to support your body's natural detoxification process. It's like giving your insides a gentle spring cleaning. And because it's low glycemic, you won't experience those crazy blood sugar spikes and crashes. This juice is here to help you thrive. So, are you ready to dive into a world of vibrant health and incredible flavor? Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com and let's get juicing. Each ingredient in this juice is a nutritional powerhouse, chosen specifically with diabetes in mind. Let's meet our green dream team. First up, we've got spinach, the ultimate leafy green superstar. Popeye was onto something with this one. Spinach is packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps blood sugar levels steady. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals, making it a true nutritional rock star. Next, we're adding in some cool cucumbers. Cucumbers are incredible for hydration thanks to their high water content. They also contain compounds that may help manage blood sugar levels, making them a fantastic addition to a diabetic-friendly drink. And let's not forget celery. This crunchy veggie is often overlooked, but it's a fantastic source of fiber, which, as we know, is crucial for blood sugar control. Celery also contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. It's a true unsung hero in the veggie world. Now, for a burst of flavor and vitamin C, we're adding lemon to the mix. Lemon is a natural detoxifier, aiding in digestion and helping your body flush out toxins. Plus, its bright citrusy flavor adds a refreshing zing to our juice. Last but not least, we've got green apple, which brings a touch of natural sweetness and a satisfying crunch. Green apples are lower in sugar than their red counterparts and offer a good dose of fiber. They also contain pectin, a type of fiber that can help slow down sugar absorption, making them a great choice for managing blood sugar levels. For more tips and recipes to boost your health, visit knowledgeyourhealth.com. Now comes the best part, enjoying the fruits and veggies of your labor. Pour yourself a tall glass of this vibrant green juice and savor every sip. You can enjoy it immediately for maximum freshness, or store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Remember, this juice is best enjoyed on an empty stomach as it allows your body to absorb all the nutrients more efficiently. Sip it slowly and mindfully, paying attention to the burst of flavors and the way it makes your body feel. And don't be afraid to share the green goodness. This recipe makes enough for 2 servings, so grab a friend or family member and cheers to your health. You can also experiment with adding other low glycemic ingredients like ginger, kale, or even a squeeze of lime. So what are you waiting for? Get juicing and experience the incredible benefits of this green detox magic for yourself. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback. For more health tips and recipes, visit knowledgeyourhealth.com.